Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is Embellishments on the 11th, where each month we show you what we make to use to decorate our cards, or in my case, mini albums. But today I decided to do something different, and instead of making something to decorate mini albums, I made something to decorate my table for Thanksgiving. So I made turkey place cards. So I'm showing you real quick how I made it. This isn't a tutorial video, but real quick, these are the materials I used. I just cut a turkey head out of a piece of scrap cardstock, craft cardstock. I used a doily, and I scored a 12-inch long piece of paper every 1/4 of an inch. And this happens to be 1 3/4 inches. So here you see I cut out the turkey head. I just made my own pattern, but I do have some listed in Pinterest if you want to go to my Pinterest site. I took some inking and inked up the doily and then folded it just so part of it would stand and part of it would lay flat. Then I glued down the bottom of the rosette that I'm going to make, but here I noticed the doily is probably a little bit too small. And then I took the turkey head and put it in between where the rosette is going to be, and then I made it into a rosette, and the turkey just sits in the fold of my rosette. And that's pretty much it. This one I did cut out a small half circle and put it on the back just so it would pop a little bit, and then cut up a 1.5 by 3 inch piece of paper, wrote the name on the back, and glued it to the back. Really simple, but really cute. So again, go to my Pinterest if you want to see a couple of tutorials that I looked at. I didn't follow any of them, but I did see some great directions as I meandered through. Don't forget to check out all the other collaborators in Embellishments on the 11th and see what you can use to embellish your craft. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.